आज भी आधे से ज्यादा लोगों को यही लगता है दैट एआई इज ओनली फॉर पीपल इन टेक. Just imagine how good it would look on your profile when you apply to colleges in India or abroad. तुम यही काम अगर AI से करवाते एंड जो तुम्हारे पास टाइम बचता उसमें you could have studied, उसमें you could have researched more. It's 2025 and whether you accept it or not, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. But सच बताऊं तो आज भी आधे से ज्यादा लोगों को यही लगता है that AI is only for people in tech. But AI हम सबके लिए, even for the school going students. Just think about it. Students spend so much time in making project files and presentations. पूरा पूरा दिन निकल जाता है एक सब्जेक्ट का प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में. And when you finally submit it, the teacher says that be more creative next time. अब तुम यही टाइम अगर पढ़ाई में यूज करते और अच्छे से रिसर्च करने में यूज करते and you could have given this menial task of making the presentation to the AI, then wouldn't it be more fruitful? I'm seriously telling you, AI को अपने एडवांटेज के लिए यूज करना सीख जाओगे ना तो you will be ahead of everyone else. Because आज भी people are just watching AI happen and no one's actually using it. So I researched and I found the perfect workshop for those who want to get started with AI and want to boost up their skills and productivity by 10x. Founded by IIT alumni, let me introduce you to B10x. They are providing with a 3-hour live workshop जिसमें तुम्हें सिखाएंगे AI tools. And trust me, this is not a boring lecture, it's actually hands-on training. I genuinely recommend this for everyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve in today's time. And the best part is, ये workshop जिसकी value is actually thousands of rupees मिलती है at just ₹9. भाई एक कप चाय से भी सस्ता. Now you would be thinking that how is this beneficial for school going students? Let me tell you, you can make notes, you can make presentation. मैं जब 10th में थी मैंने ChatGPT से मतलब कितने quizzes और question papers बनवाए होंगे अपने लिए so that I could assess myself. And it's very important for students of board classes as well because you need to solve as many questions as you can. तो मैं ChatGPT से बनवाती थी क्वेश्चन पेपर्स पूरे उनको मैं पूरा सिलेबस देती थी एंड इट यूज्ड टू क्रिएट द परफेक्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर मी एंड क्विजेस फॉर माय पर्सनल असेसमेंट. B10x trains you to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Notebook LM, Notion AI, Canva AI, which you can use to generate summarized notes, debug your coding projects instantly, create smart presentations, create quizzes to assess yourself. And to get an edge on your college applications and your personal portfolio, they will provide you with a certificate of AI tools expert. Matlab, just imagine how good it would look on your profile when you apply to colleges in India or abroad. And this is happening this weekend, so enroll now before the seats fill up. The link is in my description and it's in the pinned comments as well. Now, let me tell you a few ways that I, as student in grade 11, uses AI for their studies. Firstly, I convert 4-5 घंटे लंबे YouTube lectures into short summarized text, quizzes and flashcards for my ease. मैं पूरी YouTube वीडियो को AI से like important points उससे निकलवा लेती हूँ, which I can read in no time. Second is making personalized question papers and quizzes for myself. I provide the AI with syllabus, how the question paper should be, कौन से questions डालने हैं, किस तरह के questions डालने हैं, marks, कितने marks का paper बनाना है, सब मैं AI को बता देती हूँ. Then it gives me 2 to 3 question papers उसी से related which I solve. Same with quizzes and flashcards बनवा लेती हूँ मैं for my personal assessment. Third is to summarize बड़े topics of SST. I used to do this in grade 10. SST के जो like boring topics होते हैं उनसे मैं उसके मैं tables, flowcharts बनवा लेती थी AI से. And if you all want to learn how to do all this too, then you need to click on the link in my description and enroll for the B10x workshop today. And if you're still not using AI, then तुम पीछे नहीं, बहुत पीछे हो. But if you start today, you'll be miles ahead.